Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing cadence, that is RPM, so you know what to hit. First, clip into the pedals, use a cadence sensor or count full crank turns for 30 seconds and double it. Feel the difference between 60 RPM and 100 RPM. One feels heavy and powerful, the other quicker and more aerobic. Once done, note the gear you used and the terrain. Those two factors change how hard each RPM feels and why you choose one cadence over another. Now you adjust gearing and apply power to hold RPM. Shift one or two cogs until your cadence stays steady without bouncing or grinding. Make small changes. Remember, lower RPM requires more torque. You press harder, while higher RPM means faster leg speed but less force per stroke. Use your power meter or perceived effort to avoid muscles burning out. If heart rate spikes too fast, lower the cadence or downshift. Make sure to smooth the pedal stroke. That keeps RPM consistent and efficient. Finish by dialing in the rhythm with targeted intervals so your body adapts to chosen RPM ranges. Do repeated 1 to 3 minute efforts at goal cadence, recover, and repeat. That teaches neuromuscular control. If RPM fluctuates unexpectedly, inspect the chain, cassette, derailleur indexing, and cadence sensor position, or accept fatigue as the cause and rest. Keep experimenting. Higher RPM trains speed and efficiency. Lower RPM builds torque for climbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.